What's up, everybody? Got the big fly box back at it. This is the September. I know we're in October, but I just got it. I'm ready to rip into it. Hope everybody's enjoying the baseball playoffs. We are now in the divisional round. I'm actually recording this Friday night. It'll come out on Monday. But the divisional rounds are set. We got the Yankees versus the Blue Jays, the Tigers versus the Mariners, the Cubs versus the Brewers, and the Dodgers versus the Phillies. So it will have already kicked underway by the time you see this, but I'm going to go ahead and make my picks. I'm going to pick the Blue Jays. They're tough at home, and where they're going to get they're going to get the 3 games at home. It might go to 5, but I think they're going to beat the Yankees. As weird as that sounds. I got the Mariners. Being a J-Rod guy, I gotta go with the Mariners. Picking the Brewers to beat the Cubs. That one's really tough for me. I really liked how I really enjoyed watching Dansby Swanson over the weekend play defense, and it was cool to see Pete Crow Armstrong get his bat going for that last game. And Dodgers versus the Phillies. I'm going to go with the reigning champs, the Dodgers. I will say, I think that whoever wins that series is probably going to win the World Series. My pick. We'll see how it goes. Before I get into opening the big fly, could you guys do me a favor and check out my eBay page? I'm running some auctions for the divisional round. I got some cool cards you guys should check out. Some of them been opened here on the channel, like all pretty much stars. We got like this Judge from Topps UK, Judge Black Gold. This one wasn't opened on the channel. It is a rainbow foil, Yelich and Adames. There's a cool Yelich. We got Bo color match out of Bowman to 175 Mojo. We got the case hit Vlad Shadow Etch, and then some rookie cards for some of the players. We got Torkelson rookie out of 22 UK. Matt Shaw. We got a Sepia for Matt Shaw. Ben Rice red rookie. And a couple of rookies. I mean, he's looked good in the closing pitcher role. He's had quite comfortable leads, so we'll see what happens when the pressure's on him. But he looked like the rookie that they all hyped him up to be. All right, if you guys interested in any of those, check out my eBay page, and let's get into it. I'm excited for the big fly this month. It's my 3rd time opening it. You know what happened with last month's? That's still to be determined. I did send off the redemption. We'll see what comes of it. Get all these packs out. I think that's it. Our sell sheet for this month. You can go ahead and pause that and see what we're looking for. And let's check it out. I'm excited. We've got 2020 Topps Finest Chrome Hobby. This one I'm stoked for. Hobby pack of Topps update 2024. Topps Finest from this year. I enjoyed opening that. And a jumbo hobby of 2023 Series 2. We'll probably start with that. Probably end with this. I think we'll go like that. Yeah. Fine. I think we're gonna go in this order. Get the paper out of the way. Hope everybody's having a good day. And let's see what we can do. We are looking for, obviously, Corbin Carroll's, Josh Young's, Volpe, and Yoshida rookies out of this. So let's see what goes on. It's probably going to be flipped all over the place. Adam Aller, Luis Ortiz, Madrigal, Josh Bell, Bryce Johnson rookie. Jimenez, Castillo, Friedel, Joey Bart, Badu, Mike Simeon, Brantley, Taylor Walls, Brian Anderson, Jared Walsh, Griffin Jacks. Getting close to the good stuff, if there is any. Simeon Woods Richardson rookie. There's an Ohtani. Carlos Correa. Stone Garrett. Gabriel Arias. Got a couple backwards. So we got a Verlander. No way. Got an orange foil. Ranger Suarez. And check that out. Roki. World Baseball Classic. That's pretty cool. Yeah, Ranger Suarez. That's going to be numbered to 299. Orange foil. Randy Rosarina. Rainbow foil. Alright. MJ Melendez. Garcia. The Tovar rookie. Rowdy. Meneses rookie. Alexis Diaz. Flores. Jose Buto. We got the Astros, Phillies. New teammate on a Magic run. That's Marsh and Harper. Nico Horner, Carlos Santana. We got the Tigers, Oakland A's. Soon to be Vegas A's. There's a Louis Varland rookie. Austin Riley, Jorge Polanco, Oswaldo Cabrera, Michael Wacha, and Brian Reynolds. So we did get numbered card. Pretty happy with that. $20.25 Topps Chrome. Not sure what that is. Okay. Well, we've got a Lindor Power Players. Sean Manaea. Jackson Jobe. And check that out. Pete Alonso Orange Power Players to 25. That's sweet. Wow. I'm not at all bummed out about that. I have to get that up there. 11 of 25. Sweet. I know he said he's going to opt for free agency. Yeah, let's get that other orange up there. Make it an orange kind of, oops, excuse me. Make it an orange party. Sweet. Okay, 2020 Topps Finest. Really hoping for not a redemption. That's been a pain. Yeah, it can give me a redemption. I won't be mad. Looks like we got something sparkly in here. We got a Glaber. AJ Puck rookie. Finest firsts. And a Glaber. The man. Insert. Albert Alizé rookie. And Aaron Judge. All right, 2 packs I'm looking forward to the most. Love this set. Looks like we ain't got not much in here except for the insert. We got Bright Horizons, Sal Frelick, Yuki Matsui debut, or Frelick debut, Matsui true rookie, Siani, Tony Kemp, Profar, Spias rookie, Pedro Pajes rookie, Hunter Stratton rookie, Jake Bowers, and Eddie Murray. Pretty sweet with Jared Jones rookie. Last pack of the rip. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. I'll go ahead and throw these in the middle here. And hope we can top them. It's hard to beat a star player to 25 though. Finest. Looks like we got just about an X-Fractor, maybe a colored debut or creators. We got Jackson Merrill, Freddie Freeman, Christian Walker, Matt McLean, Luis Castillo, all common. There's a rare Sal Frelick, Junior Caminero X-Fractor, common X-Fractor, Amador Arrivals, and a Creators Brooks Lee purple to 125 with a uncommon knowledge annual. Alright guys, that'll do it. Thank you for watching. Appreciate the likes and comments. Keep them coming. I enjoy this product. You guys should give it a shot. Go to slatersportscards.com. Those boxes run, I want to say $135. Unless you subscribe and get it monthly, then you get it for like $129, and it ships out free to you. I really enjoyed it. It helps. It's cool to rip packs that I haven't ripped before, a lot of them. Especially the hobby versions of stuff that I have, you know, and couldn't afford. But, all right, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.